Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel. Once again, it is time for our weekly shop update. It seems like I always like to start the shop updates with a weather report. So this week it is extremely hot, in the 90s, lots of humidity, trying to keep the shop cool, which the AC works pretty good, you know, keep the humidity out, but it's a hot one outside. Summer is officially here. So shop tour time. It is, here we are, smack dab in the middle of June. So generally in June is when the heat hits us here in Topeka, and once again, here we are. So we'll do a quick shop tour. Lots of little things going on, lots of stuff in progress. This engine is actually for, if you guys will remember, the little green in a Miata. Got the cylinder head ready to go, almost finished with the bottom end, installing the new pistons, and as you can see, he's getting forged rods, forged pistons. These are actually the same pistons that I use in the STL 1.6 Miatas, so he's getting a little bump in compression, although I did not mill as much off the head. So we'll run this car in the mid 10s, 10-to-1 compression wise, a little more than an F production car, a little less than an STL car. So moving this direction, we've got the Cadillac is all done and loaded, ready to go to the June sprints. However, the jab rock for under the nose just showed up this morning, so I got to make a quick run to Kansas City and drop these off before he leaves for the sprints this morning. And on cue, the compressor jumps on. Perfect. Okay, at least we do have one engine going out this week. Completed the T4 ND1 engine going to the East Coast, so he will get it in his car, get it dynoed hopefully. Those cars are at a bit of a disadvantage right now in T4, the way they're classified, but hopefully the engine helps him out a bit, and they can also get a little bit of rule changes here in the next year. We'll see if he makes it to the runoffs this year or not, but we'll just kind of see about that. We do have some BMW progress. As you guys know, we were talking about it. My back has been hurting for the last couple weeks, but I'm feeling much, much better. So now I can get back to my 15 minutes every morning. So as you can see, I've got the whole differential assembly out of the car. I'm going to get this all stripped down and really get an idea of what's bent where here in this rear control arm. I haven't really had a chance to inspect it super closely quite yet, but I'm pretty sure that it's twisted right here at the joint. Now, a shout out to Tim Schreier, who pulled through for me and sent me a couple of cores. So one left rear, one right rear. I do have one more left rear coming, because once I get these all fixed up, I want to have spares so this does not happen again, because we can't be missing these races. So shout out to Tim for that, but at least we can get back to chipping away at it. So Steven's car is still sitting here on the lift, getting ready to finalize the seat pan, and then we'll get started on roll cage mounting points, but haven't had a ton of time quite yet to finalize that up. Did have something somewhat interesting on the dyno this morning. You guys will be able to see that what I ended up doing was screwing a piece of aluminum to this wall here, because I had a drag truck on the dyno this morning and the exhaust pointed straight out of the fenders right at my door here. So came up with a little version of doing that. So Eric has begun his runoffs prep. You can see his engine is out here on the floor. It is due for a refresh and some updates. And then he's got his transmission apart in the back. So all sorts of runoffs prep starting in this corner. around here we're not real big about racing in the summertime because it's so hot, and we would prefer to enjoy our racing and not just sweat the entire time. So we are done for the summer. It is runoffs prep time, and that takes a lot of time if you really want to be prepared. As the summer goes on, I'll be talking about, once again, how I do runoffs prep as we go through the BMW again and get it ready for yet another defense of our championship again, hopefully. So shout out to you guys that are heading to Elkhart Lake this weekend for the June sprints. Good luck to all of you. I do know that Tim got his BMW fixed after our little incident at Heartland Park a few weeks ago, so good luck to him. And I know John Brackey will be up there, and Ken Kennard running in the F Production Integra, as well as a multitude of JPM customers. So also the Cadillac, Steve Wiles will be up there as well. So got the car all wrapped. John and his buddy Sean pulled a super late night Monday night to get that finished up. Kudos to them. Shout out to them for helping out with that. And the car looks great again. So hopefully next week we'll have the car back and it will be unscathed, and we can just do some race prep rather than full-scale rebuilding for a change. So hope you guys have had a good last week. Hope it's not too hot where you are, but it probably is. So keep cool, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.